Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today I am going to be playing Meep City, and I will need to remove that real quick. Where? I don't want that cattail. Where I match my Meep perfectly, almost. And let's figure out what we're going to do. I'm looking for Lydia's place.
Click on that, and then go.
I didn't say anything.
Yeah, it does that automatically once you go to that. I have the blueprints for a bigger estate.
Really?
Yeah.
How'd you buy it?
Oh, it costed like 1,000.
I fall. Get that out. House. No. Is there like a shop thing? Games? And that's the games. What is my toys? Do I have any toys? Shop. Toys.
You can only buy roller skates.
Roller skates.
Hey, that's the color of mine.
That.
I got a unicycle.
Okay. My toys. I am going to roller skate around. See, they literally don't make me go faster. That is disappointing.
Why don't you change the channel to the dog coming through the door, Lydia?
I want the channel changed. I'm gonna go to my house now. Yes.
Let's take a look inside.
In I go.
Let's look at the channel in your place.
What is the channel again? Hello, cat.
Change the channel
Infinity
to the
cat
next
going
one.
through the door.
The next one.
Change channel.
Okay, that's good. That's
Door
good.
dog. What's the next channel? Yeah, pretty sure. That's. What else is there? Show me the news. Is there even any news?
Okay, keep it at the door dog.
You know what? There's no news. And here's that. Set music.
And I drank all the water
Owl.
in my mug.
Noob painting. Legit noob painting. It's like absolutely no reason that I teleportation possible. Ah! Help me. There we go. Meep. Meep. Let's go. Now, let's find Lydia. Oh, come on. Come on. I need to get,
Shift. Shift locks the screen.
No. Go to. Bring.
Okay, done.
And now I can go to her. Bring.
Hey. It's here.
Hi.
Let's go to town.
Yeah. Town.
I want to go fishing.
I was going to put one of these ladies on because they have a limit, or they also have 0 points, and they always
We're going.
You like my avatar? You probably
So
don't.
I can do 7 points in one
How do
guy,
you get this stuff
and
for
then you
your
have to be on
feet?
one of the big ships. Or I could do a captain
Pet shop?
Forgot where.
Town? What?
But you can get it. Fishing for money. That's over there.
That they say are fish. You still get money from it.
Yeah. Wooden carton,
I got
pink
a
fish.
that was worth 22 coins. Lydia did too.
Yeah.
Where do you get this stuff?
Yay, fish. Pebble dirt. I am done fishing.
Do you get it at the pet shop? Yeah, you sell it. Sell them at the fish shop.
Don't know where.
The pet shop.
Sell your fish here. Yay. Good. Sell fish. Sell fish. Sell all fish. I got 9 coins. Legit, just 9 coins. 9
Hey, you
coins.
should go to that game.
What game?
Go into your house. No, go into the town.
Where's the town? I'm going into town.
Tell me if you
Oh, come on. Why did someone turn on shift lock? Shift lock switch off. I don't like shift lock switch. There's a cafe, a school, and Starball. I'm gonna go to the cafe.
free donuts. How do you get free donuts?
Ah, come on. Come on. Give me. Where am I gonna get stuff? Give me a donut, give me an nom.
Accessories for your meat?
No. Just getting stuff.
She's asking.
No. Wait a minute, there's some. Do I have any stuff?
Tim, do you remember where? Maybe it's in the plaza.
There is somewhere, that's all I know. I want to play that game.
That's really fun.
I know it is. There's also the rip-off of. I also need to get candy. There's also the Super Mario Kart ripoff.
I wanted to do that one, but yeah, had to stop. Stop. Ah,
Ding.
meat accessories. You buy them here. It's over there. No,
Where do you buy them?
no, here.
Boing. Yes!
I am.
So am I. Ah! Yay! Final one somewhere. Around to the back.
You can go through meat.
I got the final one. Now it's time to ramp up and wee! This is like the easiest way to get money in here. Just gonna play.
I wonder if there's a world beyond Candyland.
There is. I'm pretty sure.
Get out.
Bling. Bling. That remains to be seen. Chocolate falls. Bonk, 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 bonk. Get that. Turn. Bonk. 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 Get rolled onto that. No. Fall. Ah. Figured out how to get the last star, but too late. I have to go. That. You found blah blah. 50 coins.
50 coins.
For 2 stars. No! Let me get that star. Crap. You're just gonna have to go. Made it in. Now getting out. See if I can get through. I can't. Bling! 1 star. Yes, there was a lot of bumping. Yep, I knew it. It was 25 coins. It was 25 coins. Let's play 6 Candyland. No! I died. Look, it go pew pew. Stop. Woo, man! Let's go get that. Bang, bang. Yes, I got it. Now where's the other one? Bang. Where's the other one? I have a feeling it has to do with that. I am literally just waiting for stuff. Ah! Poof! Into sprinkles I become. There's so much bumps. Bang, bang. And I fell. Poof! Sprinkles. Over a minute. Almost been 2 minutes.
I've gotten to 500.
500 seconds on 1 level.
Yeah.
Bonk. Bonk.
Surprising.
Of course it was. No! Poof!
It was only like the 2nd level.
I'm gonna end the video just trying to get past this. And I'm pretty sure Gage will be rooting for me. Whee! Maybe I'll complete it before the video ends. Who knows? Unless I can do it in 30 seconds, that's impossible. Carpies. No! Well, guys, that's it for today.
Bye-bye.
Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.